We started off the year a little slow this financial year, partly because of the base effect we had of the last financial year. So in the Q1, we actually increased our APE, annualized premium equivalent. Actually, it was a minus 18% growth. That's where we started off with. But the good thing about the second quarter performance is that we have been able to turn it around. And we actually saw a year-on-year increase of 6% of APE. So to that extent, what you say is right in the sense that we have been able to get the growth back. That to me is the biggest highlight for the quarter. And despite the volatile market conditions which we have seen in the last few weeks, all the quality parameters, including persistency and some of the other metrics, have held up quite well. So that gives me a confidence that the way we have written the business, sold the business, there seems to be a long-term focus there, and the customers are willing to pay the renewal premiums. So that part also has come out well. So it's a quarter in which growth is coming back, and the quality parameters are holding well despite the volatile market conditions. That's how I will summarize the situation. To your question on what is the outlook going forward, I think insurance is a great opportunity in a country like India. If you look at the savings part of the insurance, I think that in the medium term it can grow at the nominal GDP growth rate. And within that, if you look at the protection part, I think that can actually grow at a much higher rate because the protection under penetration is even more severe. And I think these two opportunities are there as a long-term opportunity for life insurance companies in India.
Jian, if I could ask you, as you're rightly putting out the numbers, and if you look at the comparisons Q1, Q2, and normally Q4 is the best for the sector as a whole, are you all confident of meeting the growth numbers which you have set the target for, vis-a-vis if we see it on FY18 and what it could be in FY19?
Yeah, so before I look at a specific number for this financial year as a whole, I would like to take a lot of heart in the fact that we've been able to arrest the decline in growth on a year-on-year basis and get to a positive mode in the second quarter on a year-on-year basis. As I said, 6% growth. And sequentially, if you look at Q2 over Q1, we have seen a growth of about 40% in our APE. So my objective would be to take this momentum forward. But before I make an assessment of what is likely to be the medium-term growth,